Hello guys, this is my first attempt at making tech news videos and I have not yet fixed the schedule, but most probably it will be every Saturday. So if you like it, then subscribe and hit the like and show your support. With that being said, let's dive in. The first news is Redmi Note 7 Pro will have Snapdragon 675 and Sony 48 megapixel sensor, which you can find in Honor View 20, which is a flagship grade device, and price reveal of Redmi Note 7 Pro at roughly Rs 15,800, and so it's affordable as well. The next is Google Maps Speed Trap update. Google is now rolling out an update that will allow drivers to see speed traps whenever they are exploring or following a route on maps. In case you don't know, speed traps are designated spots along roadside where police vehicles are parked, and it's from this spot that law enforcement officials detect vehicles, generally through devices such as speed cameras and radar guns, going over the speed limit. Only few of people have got this update. Sony Xperia X Z4, Xperia X A3, Xperia L3 expected to be unveiled on February 25th, and Sony Xperia X Z4 to be the first 21:9 ratio device. So smartphones are getting longer and longer as we speak. Xiaomi Yunmi 118-liter refrigerator launch, price around Rs 7,500. This is smaller refrigerator with double door design and is made with energy efficiency in mind. Next, there are reports that older WhatsApp messages getting deleted. Some say it's very old, while some say it's last year messages getting deleted, and WhatsApp is on to solving this problem. I haven't personally encountered it, but if you are, then please back up to Google Drive. For Samsung S10 Plus, Samsung S10 and Samsung 5G S10, Armadillo Tech, a highly rated manufacturer of smartphone cases, admitted recently that its own Vanguard screen protector won't work on the Galaxy S10 due to this technology. It should be noted that this is just one company's take on that matter. It should also be noticed that the Vanguard series for Armadillo Tech uses very heavy cases and very thick protectors to give phone full protection. Therefore, more basic screen protectors might have no issue. And take a look at Samsung's S10 Plus leaked image. The next is ISRO and Indian Railways. The Indian Railways has linked its locomotive via ISRO satellites, making it easy to track trains and automatically feed the control chart about the train's arrival and departure. The next is Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi has launched PUBG-like game. Survivor game is now available for download on the Mi App Store for select Xiaomi and Redmi devices. The game is about 185 MB in size and can be downloaded from Mi apps right now. PUBG ban. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds is one of the most popular game, has once again landed in danger of getting banned, this time in Jammu and Kashmir. Due to the poor 10th and 12th board results, the Jammu and Kashmir Student Association has asked the governor of the state to ban the game immediately. Next up is PUBG Mobile 0.10.5 update. New weapon, revised loot, but no zombie mode. So we have to wait for zombie mode even longer. Xiaomi Poco F1 has now started getting the latest MIUI 10.2.1.0 global stable update, which is 311 MB in size, and the new update brings slow mode with 960 FPS frame rate. The new global update also brings in an enhanced low light mode. The next update is early Android Q build has come into view, and it has a system-wide dark theme, permission upgrades, and hints at a desktop mode and much more. I will provide a link for you to read everything about it, and it's a beautiful piece of article. Do give it a try. The next is Motorola's Razor is returning as a $1,500 folding smartphone, and it could launch as early as February according to new report from the Wall Street Journal. The next is LG V40 Thin-Q. LG V40 Thin-Q India launch confirmed. 5 camera phone with 3 camera being on rear and 2 on the front of the phone to go on sale on Amazon on January 20th. Microsoft to end all support for Windows 7 in 2020. After January 14, 2020, Microsoft will no longer provide security updates or support for PCs running Windows 7. The next is Xiaomi's in-display fingerprint. Lin's post includes a video demonstrating a prototype phone with a new fingerprint sensor that has an active area of 25 x 50 mm, meaning users could unlock it by tapping anywhere within a much larger region than the thumbprint size scanner found on several phones released last year. The next is BSNL Rs 399 recharge offers 3.21 GB daily data for 74 days to counter Jio. BSNL offers a total of 237.54 GB data with Rs 399 recharge. The Rs 399 BSNL prepaid recharge also includes unlimited voice calling. Jio 4G speed. Reliance Jio 4G download speed continues to stay on the top, and that has been the case for the past 12 months in a row. Accordingly, data published by telecom regulator TRAI in December, the speed was averaging 18.7 megabits per second, and in November it was 20.3 Mbps download speed. The next is Xiaomi's photo printer. The Xiaomi Mijia photo printer was officially launched at 499 yuan price tag. The device comes with a set of color papers comprising 40 photo papers and a ribbon, which will cost an extra 59 yuan, that is $8. This is not the first photo printer Xiaomi is launching. The next is Oneplus assured upgrade program for OnePlus 6T launched in India. Offers up to 70% buyback and 40% minimum buyback at Rs 199. And also OnePlus 7 images have also been leaked. The next is the Samsung Galaxy M10 will start at Rs 7990, that is 7990, and the Samsung Galaxy M20 from Rs 10990, with India being the first country to launch the new series smartphone. Swift keys keyboard, you have used it, right? So Swift keys for Android reveals performance upgrades. The next is Google will remove Play Store apps that want to access your call logs and SMSs. So apps requesting this could either comply or request an extension till March 9th. That's good for the privacy of users, better late than never. Google to buy smartwatch tech for $40 million. Fossil is selling $40 million of smartwatch technology to Google, the company announced Thursday. The last news for today is Amazon and Flipkart offering discount on account of Republic Day. Flipkart and Amazon sale begins from Sunday, January 20th, that is tomorrow, and some smartphones, laptops and other electronics will be available with offers. Both Flipkart and Amazon have started teasing some of their deals already. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and see you in next video.